Hello, this is my model Polly, and I'm going to be creating a seamless merging technique to create a beautiful dimensional blending on her, merging from a neutral blonde into something a bit more honey gold. And I'll start first with the sectioning. So to create this seamless merge, use your SilkLift through the bottom portion of the hair and fill in with the 11 series. So when moving above the round of the head shape, I'm starting to incorporate a weave. And I'm weaving out the section, painting the same two seamless merges of my 11 series into my SilkLift, and dropping a section of the weave away.